Actually, I wanted to joke that I was gonna make the announcement that I'm joining today, but never mind. But officially today, I represent the brand Pina Beauty. I'm honored to stand here as the brand ambassador of Pina Beauty, a brand that empowers every woman to embrace confidence, radiance, and individuality. At Pina Beauty, loving and nurturing for your skin and body is a commitment to self-love, a celebration of beauty that goes beyond the surface. And tonight, Pina Beauty brings that very mission to life through the partnership with Miss Universe Philippines. This partnership is a perfect match because just like Miss Universe Philippines, Pina Beauty believes in championing women who are strong, confident, and unapologetically themselves. Women who define beauty on their own terms and inspire others to do the same. As we witness these incredible women to step into the spotlight that celebrate their power, their stories, and the confidence that makes each of them shine. And at Pina Beauty, we believe confidence is your crown. And through this partnership, we hope to remind every woman that she already has everything she needs to wear it boldly every single day. Enjoy the day and let's celebrate beauty that empowers. Thanks, guys.
Once again, everybody, that was Miss Julia Barreto of Pina. Why don't we give her a hand? Now I'm going to be walking up the stage very carefully. Woo! Okay, thank you very much for that, Dom.